Now let's talk about Gaap. When accounting for their economic activities, public corporations must follow what are called generally accepted accounting principles. These generally accepted accounting principles, or GAAP, are the accounting standards, rules, principles, and procedures that comprise authoritative practice for financial accounting. These principles have been developed over time by several regulatory bodies, which include the SEC, or the Securities and Exchange Commission, the FASB, which is the Financial Accounting Standards Board, and the AICPA, which is the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. The Securities and Exchange Commission is the federal agency charged to protect investors and maintain the integrity of the securities markets. The SEC has actually delegated much of its accounting rulemaking authority to the accounting profession. So today, the accounting organization that sets major accounting standards in the United States is the FASB. FASB is a standard-setting body whose mission is to establish and improve standards of financial accounting and reporting for the guidance and education of the public, including issuers, auditors, and users of financial information. Now, the AICPA is the professional organization of certified public accountants, and it maintains a board that establishes rules that are often more technical and more specific to certain industries. Now, accounting is practiced throughout the world, and there's a movement to develop one set of international accounting standards to be used by all countries, and we call that harmonization. The International Accounting Standards Board, IASB, is a board that's similar to FASB, whose mission is to develop that single set of high-quality standards requiring transparent and comparable information. So those standards, which have both similarities and differences from GAAP, are called the International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS. But because the adoption of IFRS is voluntary, IASB's effectiveness in accomplishing its mission is kind of limited. But efforts are ongoing between the IASB and the FASB to converge U.S. and international standards.